Welcome YouTube, and in this quick video I will show you how you can find out if Python is installed on this computer or not, and what is the version of Python, or if there are multiple versions, how to find out which version we have on the Mac. Okay, so to do that, one of the way is open the terminal and run the command python dash capital V. Okay, so this tell us that the default version of Python on this computer is 2.7.16. If you want to find the location, we'll do which Python, and we can see that the Python 2.7.16 is stored at /user/local bin Python. Okay, if you want to check if Python 3 is installed on this system, then we can do python 3 V, capital V, and you can see that there is 3.6.8 version of Python also installed on the system. And to find at which location Python 3 is stored, we can do which Python 3. Okay, and it is telling us that it is installed at user local bin Python 3. Now if you want to log in to Python, you will do 2.7, you will just do Python and you logged into 2.7.16. If you want to log into Python 3, you will do Python 3. Okay, and then you are logged into Python 3. So that's how you will find out if Python is installed on the Mac or not, and which version of Python, or if you have multiple version of Pythons, what version of Python have you got. Thank you. See you in the next video.